My name is Jason Silva, and I'm the founder of JBV Mobile. And I hosted a Hack-a-Thon event where this guy rocked. He was our young star. This is Gabriel Grant, part of the innovation team responsible for Toronto Votes 2010. So I'll pass it to you.
So we built an app called Toronto Votes 2010 to promote the Toronto elections. We realized that of all of our young friends, like pretty much no one could name what ward they're in or who the local councillor candidates are. And so we decided to go out and change that by creating an iPhone app with also a web interface. You can access it from your computer, but it will tell you what ward you're in, who your local councillors are, give you sort of Twitter feeds and all sorts of news feeds about them and allow you to interact with them. And so we're hoping that this will help to engage young people, and it's a great use of social media and of mobile.
And not only that, but the Toronto Open Data Project as well, right?
Right. The Toronto City government, particularly Mayor Miller, has been really pushing the use of open data. And so we made use of a number of the open data things. So first of all, just in order to locate what ward people are in, that involved an open data set that we had to write some code in order to interact with. And then also finding out both the information about the councillors and more details on all of the wards. And then we also interact with a few other APIs, like the Twitter API and the Facebook API. So it sort of tied a few things together, and hopefully we were able to promote young people. The first thing we developed for our prototype is an iPhone application. But like I said, we're also rolling out a web interface to it, and we're going to make that mobile friendly, so that should be accessible on Android, Blackberries, Palm OS, pretty much across the board, as well as obviously on computers. We're hoping to also roll out an Android application that's a native application. Because of the sort of 2-week holding time on any application that's being published to the iPhone App Store, we have a little bit of time to work on the Android app so we can roll them both out around the same time.
That's awesome.
If Jobs would give people an estimate, ideally 2 weeks, because that's sort of the quickest things ever seem to get through the App Store approval process. But
sometimes these things you actually never know. They check their data sources and their data types, and it goes through rigorous testing in order to get approved. So you never know. Hopefully soon.
Yeah, I mean the election's in about a month and a half, so we're crossing our fingers and hoping that it'll be available before that.